Hello friends, good afternoon. I am Supriya Raj. I am a student of IFA class and my topic is handling kid, and I want to thank to ma'am to giving me this topic. Handling kid, it's just a very short word, but I think it's very vast to handling kids. I'm very new mom because I gave birth to my baby 2024 and I'm very new. I have no what can I say, like I have no experience about it, but slowly I know everything, and now I handle her without my mom. My mom helping me very much, but nowadays she is not with me. And yes, handling kid is very hard, night to day and day to night you have to pay attention to your kid every time, feeding her, taking care of her, and cleaning her, everything. You have to do everything in to her properly. And second thing, in this time, you your family, you have to support in that time. Many mommy got this opportunity to supporting field, but I also got this opportunity. My family also give me support in this time. My mother-in-law, my husband, everyone. I only want to share my experience, because I don't know anything who share their experience, but I share my experience only. That's why I share here. And second thing, in this situation, new mom got very emotional, very depressed phase facing. Every night you spend too much, you have to wake up early in the morning, and in night you have to sleep very late. So it's very difficult for new mom. It's a challenging thing, but I think it's a blessing. Whenever I see my daughter, I feel very happy. It's give me very I get very motivational time in this page. So yes, I enjoy my motherhood, and whenever I see my daughter face, it's a relief for my whole yeah. Thank you.